Now let me explain how to add text in InShot. It's quite simple, really. First, you press the text button, and then you can customize your text easily. It's very easy and simple, as you can see here. So what do we do first? Well, we immediately press the text button. Once you enter InShot, you'll find it all straightforward and user-friendly. You upload your video, and once it's added to the timeline, you'll find many options available for editing, as you see. There are various functions available, and here you can also find the text option. Now when you click on it, you can customize your text easily. There are many different functions available here, from text options to auto subtitles and AI voices. However, we came here specifically for the text features. Click on the text option. Now you can type any text you want, change the color, and customize it to fit your video perfectly. You can add various effects to it, such as this one, or even that one. Additionally, you can explore more options to enhance your video creatively. You can add text on this kind of background, or you can also choose to add these other styles for more creativity, as you can see. There are many animations available. That's basically it. Thank you all for watching, good luck, and goodbye.